This piece of music killed 20% of cancer cells in a lab. Yes, you heard that right. Beethoven's Symphony No. 5, one of the most iconic pieces of classical music, may have literally destroyed cancer cells. But wait, is that even possible? Or is it just another internet myth? Let's break it down. In 2023, researchers at the University of Twente in the Netherlands conducted an experiment. They exposed breast cancer cells to classical music, including pieces by Mozart, Verdi, and yes, Beethoven. And the results? After playing Symphony No. 5 for 30 minutes, nearly 20% of the cancer cells died. That's not science fiction, that's lab science. But how does that work? Well, music is vibration, sound is energy, and inside our bodies, cells are constantly vibrating. Researchers believe certain sound frequencies, at the right volume and intensity, can interfere with cellular structures. It's called sonodynamic therapy, a technique being explored as a non-invasive way to target tumors using sound and light. It's a bit like using ultrasound waves, but in a more precise and therapeutic way. Now, to be clear, Beethoven isn't a cure for cancer. These were early lab results, in Petri dishes, not in living patients. And we don't yet fully understand why that specific symphony had such an effect. But this research opens a fascinating door. Could sound, something as ancient and universal as music, one day help us heal? Music already affects our mood, our memory, even our heart rate. It reduces stress, lowers blood pressure, and helps us sleep. So what if it could also fight disease? Maybe Beethoven, who composed this masterpiece while going deaf, left us more than just a symphony. Maybe, without knowing it, he created a frequency that speaks not just to the soul, but to the body. We're only beginning to understand the true power of sound, and while the science is still young, the idea that music could save lives, now that is worth listening to. Subscribe for more stories where science meets wonder.